Straight knee strike is the strike with the knees while opponent is front of or back. It is usable where the opponent is head, squeeze at the waist or seize. A knee is other type of Muay Thai attack, which is powerful. Folding your knee with your legs high will create a strong pack of muscle, making a knee full of power. However, a knee is a short-range weapon, so it can be used only in the inner range attack. To throw a knee, extend your foot out and bend your knees slightly out. Transfer the power from your hip and your wrist towards the knee. Put the weight on the knee when reaching the target. A straight knee involves moving your knee towards the target in a straight line. Use the power of your hip and wrist. The target is the stomach, the epigastrium, the chest, the chin, the face. Yes. There are two types of straight knee. First, a leaning straight knee is when using your front knee when you take fighting stand. Second, a lifting and extending your height. Second, your knee, thus your body. First, twisting your hip, feet, the public tilts, and putting the body weight on the knee and the foot. Get a lot of practice stabilizing yourself well. Be careful, move quickly, keep watching out, and be daring. A straight knee is useful when you are practicing, fencing, and trapped in the inner range. Hug the opponent, bend him forward, and throw your knee.